Hello friends, welcome on in. Hey guys, how are you? Welcome into the craft room. My name is Susan. This is Revive DIY and Upcycle Designs by Sue, and it's Monday. Apparently I can't talk. Hello, welcome on in. How y'all doing? Brand new week, got lots of new projects to share with you guys. We got to get some Halloween going. I don't know about you guys, but I started my Halloween decorating this past weekend, so I've got a lot to do, and I still have projects I want to finish to be able to use. So let's come on in. I want to share one with you today. It is using a Dollar Tree surface that I've had for a couple months. As soon as I saw it, the first time I went in there and I saw it, I grabbed one. I'm like, I don't know what I'll do with it, but I need one of those. So come on in. We're going to do that today. So before I get started, I want to just do a